As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, DJI has not released specific details about its 2025 drone lineup. However, based on past trends and technological advancements, we can predict some potential developments that DJI might include in their upcoming drone lineup for 2025. Below are some speculative features and models that could appear. 1. DJI Mavic 4 series. Expected improvements. Following the release of the Mavic 3, DJI could introduce the Mavic 4 series with upgrades to the camera system, flight time, and intelligent flight modes. Camera. A significant improvement could be made to the camera, possibly incorporating larger sensors for better low-light performance, or even 8K video capture, following the trend set by the Mavic 3's dual camera system. AI features. More advanced AI tracking and object recognition, possibly leveraging more powerful onboard processing for smoother autonomous flight and obstacle avoidance. 2. DJI Air 3 or Air 4. Compact and performance-oriented. Building on the success of the Mavic Air 2 and Air 2S, DJI could release an Air 3 or Air 4 that balances compact form factor with impressive performance. Improved camera. Expect a better camera with enhanced image quality, possibly 6K or even 8K video, while maintaining the Air series emphasis on portability and ease of use. Enhanced battery life. Battery improvements could extend flight time, possibly up to 40 to 45 minutes. 3. DJI Phantom 5. Classic Phantom design with new features. The Phantom series has been a popular choice for professional users. The Phantom 5 could reintroduce this beloved design with a much more powerful camera system, maybe offering 8K video capture and improved flight stability in windy conditions. Advanced flight capabilities. Expect integration of DJI's most advanced flight control systems and possibly more extensive manual control options for serious enthusiasts and professionals. 4. DJI Inspire 3. Cinema-grade performance. DJI's Inspire drones are known for catering to filmmakers and professional cinematographers. The Inspire 3 could feature a new gimbal and camera system capable of recording in 12K or higher, offering unmatched video quality for professional shoots. Enhanced stability and autonomy, advanced obstacle avoidance, better low-light performance, and extended battery life could be key features. Improved remote control and monitoring systems. The Inspire 3 could feature an improved remote controller and possibly even AR, augmented reality, features for the pilot to monitor drone telemetry and surroundings more efficiently. 5. DJI FPV, Next Gen. Lighter and more agile. DJI's FPV drone line might receive a new iteration with a lighter design and enhanced maneuverability for serious FPV enthusiasts. Advanced immersion features. Expect better integration of VR goggles, augmented reality, and real-time telemetry to give drone pilots an immersive experience. AI-assisted flying. Advanced AI to help with stabilizing the drone, collision avoidance, and smoother flight, especially for beginners. 6. DJI Agricultural Drones. Precision agriculture. DJI has already made strides into the agricultural sector with the Agri series. In 2025, the next generation of these drones could feature more advanced spraying systems, longer flight times, and better integration with AI for optimized crop monitoring and spraying. Multi-sensor capabilities. Drones could be equipped with multispectral, thermal, and LiDAR sensors to assist with precision farming, making them invaluable tools for farmers. 7. DJI consumer drones with AI and 5G. AI integration. Drones equipped with next-gen AI for real-time decision-making, automatic flight planning, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and automatic subject tracking could become standard across consumer models. 5G connectivity. 5G could allow for ultra-low latency remote control and high-definition live streaming, enabling more professional-level features even for consumer-grade drones. 8. DJI Advanced LiDAR or Mapping Drones. Surveying and mapping. In 2025, DJI could further refine its LiDAR and mapping drone offerings, with the possibility of incorporating better sensors for more detailed 3D mapping and survey-grade accuracy. Integration with cloud-based platforms. Expect better cloud integration, allowing for seamless data processing and collaboration between drone operators and teams. 9. Enhanced battery technologies. Longer flight times. Battery technology improvements could be a key focus for DJI, with lithium-sulfur or solid-state batteries providing longer flight times and shorter charging cycles. Solar or hybrid charging options. Solar panels or hybrid charging systems could extend mission durations, especially for industrial and agricultural applications. 10. DJI drone software enhancements. AI-powered editing. DJI could release more advanced drone software that automatically edits drone footage, using AI to create cinematic shots without user input. Improved simulators. Advanced flight simulators with virtual environments could make it easier for beginners and professionals to practice before taking flight. Conclusion. While these predictions are speculative, DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of drone technology. The 2025 lineup could see the introduction of improved AI features, enhanced cameras, longer battery life, and more intuitive designs. Additionally, the increasing integration of 5G, LiDAR, and advanced sensors could make drones more versatile, efficient, and capable than ever before. Keep an eye on official announcements from DJI for accurate information on their upcoming lineup.